Hello from HK Systems, and we'll go over how to fix the jam on models HK1A and HK2D. If there's a jam, wait for about 10 seconds. Usually the machine can fix it automatically. Or quickly press Run Stop button twice and repeat up to 3 times. If not, tilt the machine backwards. Readjust the coins in the hopper. Slightly open the hopper by pressing the button on the back. Carefully remove coins in the hopper. Open the hopper completely. If you find a coin stuck in the sorter, stop the machine, then remove a coin. Now close the hopper and press Run Stop button. The machine will now restart to sort the coins. Thank you for choosing HK Systems, and feel free to contact us for any questions.